Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Go to search bar and click on settings. Click here to open it. Then go to accounts, scroll down and click on family and other accounts, users. Then you need to click here and select this option. Again select this one. Now enter the details here, new password, new name, security questions, and then click on next. Now click here and then just sign out. Here we go, the new account is created. Now just enter the password here and hit enter. Wait for some time. Now you need to click on accept, and here we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.